Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently experiencing lag on the Bluesky app and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So this depends if you have an iPhone or Android. So what you're going to do if you have an iPhone, you're going to go into your app store. Or if you have an Android phone, you're just going to go into your Google Play Store because after that, it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide basically. So in here, you're going to search for Bluesky. So just search for Bluesky, scroll down in here. And as you can see, I have this blue button in here where it says open. But before, what it said for me then was update. So I had to basically update my app and I clicked on this update button in here, which is now open as you can see. And the reason why it says open is because I already have updated to the latest version basically. But if it says update for you in here, it's very important that you do click on it because if you actually update your app to the newest version, it's going to fix all the bugs and lags that was in the previous one. So do so and then go back into your app and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.